Hello there, my friends, and welcome. I am Amazing Angela, and in this video, I will be sharing with you the 5 ways that you can make money in LeadsLeap. And as the owner here is open and transparent, he says you're not actually going to make a lot of money in the system. What the system is designed to do is to give you tools to help you build whatever business that you choose while earning a modest income passively. So I will be able to show you how I'm actually doing that, right? I'm using these tools to build my business, but I'm also earning a modest income passively. So the first way is you can actually participate in our paid per click program, where you can place widgets like this on your sites, and as people click on them, you earn credits. You can participate in our traffic co-op. So by advertising the co-op link, you can earn credits that way, and you can become an active member. LeadsLeap actually gives you a daily cash bonus for surfing other sites, and then you can convert whatever credits you have. Remember, credits, we can use them to place ads, but you can also convert them to cash. But you can also earn commission. So 25% as a free member and 50% as a pro member. So let's go ahead and show you the different ways in the back office. So here we are in the back office. If you when you actually create a page in LeadsLeap in Page Manager, you can actually add widgets to your page as well. So let me go to my favorite page at the moment, and if I click that, let's see. Okay, yeah, you see these widgets here. You can actually add them when you go to Launch Editor here. There's actually an option for you to add them at the bottom here, okay? So that's if you don't have an external page, you can just add them here. Otherwise, if you have a blog or a website outside, you can actually come in here. This is get PPC code, widget code here. You can come in here, you can personalize it the way you want. And then once you personalize it, you can actually go ahead and get the code and add them to your external website. Okay, very powerful. What was the second way? Was the traffic co-op. Yeah, so just simply, we went through this in a previous video, but simply coming here to join our traffic co-op, and all you have to do is advertise this link here, right? Click preview. As you're advertising this link, you won't be advertising your own site, you will be advertising the members in the co-op, right? So you'll be able to earn credits that way. And like I said, you can add your own ad bar at the top. That way you can still drive traffic to your offers, okay? That's the second way. Let's keep going. You can become an active member. What that simply means is on your dashboard, right? You can just come in here and surf and earn, right? So you come in here and surf 10 sites, and once you've surfed 10 sites, you actually earn a daily cash bonus, right? Just for surfing these sites. So you have to do that every day, 10 sites, and you get a cash bonus. Very simple, okay? And once you've viewed the ad, then you literally go on to the next one, okay? And surf the next ad there as well, see what that's about, and so on and so forth. And the longer you stay on the ad, the more credits that you earn. And then let's go on to the next way, become an active member, convert your credits to cash. So you can come in here as a free member, as we're doing now. As you're surfing, you will be earning credits, right? And once you have enough credits, what you can do is you can actually convert those credits to cash. Otherwise, we talked about how you can use those credits to actually place your own ads. If you don't want that, if you want the cash, you can go ahead and cash out your credits as well. All right. And then lastly, this is how I earn from the system, really, is what I'm doing here right now, is commissions. So if I come here and I go to my affiliate commissions, you can see that I've earned $800 so far in the system. I've withdrawn I have 229 that's payable. I can withdraw this right now, and then this is pending because it takes 60 days for us to actually get these commissions, right? So I can withdraw 229, but I have to wait for 60 days to withdraw the pending, right? So this is how I earn most of my money. Because I'm a pro member, I earn 50% recurring commissions. So we have done for you links here, so you can come here, affiliate links and tools. So we have all the tools that you need to start promoting. Just come in here and choose your links, how to